Golly, you guys, what a view. And there's the man, first other guy here. What's going on, Joe? Joe Fernandez, our infamous photographer. What do you think, Joe?
Just look at these beauties. Can I take one of
Isn't that ridiculous?
I want to buy one of these.
I know, right?
Yeah, I think it gets me home a little faster.
Exactly.
That one. I'll take that one.
Woo!
Actually,
Any of them.
Mustang. I'll take an F5.
That's it. Getting all set up. Food, shirts, tables. It is coming together. What's up, Daniel?
Going on?
Woo! Our first arrival. Jim's the man.
Actually, including the engine start.
Two T-34s, gotta love that. This is the last one with this Chilean paint job that you see. And right on time. So you guys ended up getting some oil from Victory up here, huh?
That's right, yeah. They hooked us up real good.
Awesome. Well, thank you all very much for coming out, and thank you for supporting Victory Aviation out of Denton.
Thanks for having us.
Woo!
And yeah, I can't complain at all. It's really a great airplane. But I've only had it for a few months now. But
Did you?
yeah, it was cool. There was an RV here next to me that I was flying with.
December.
Now, dude, it's the airport. I love it.
It didn't do anything to arrange
Oh, a little bit.
Well,
And with, I'm lucky I got to fly in this air coupe. Crazy thing about it is you steer it with the wheel, the yoke, instead of the feet. Are you Mr. You're from
Michigan.
Michigan, man. You flew all the way in from Michigan, huh? Well, welcome, brother.
In
How-
Oklahoma City for a couple of weeks for work, so flew from Michigan to Oklahoma City and then down here for the weekend.
Awesome. How was your first experience at Airplanes and Coffee?
I love it, and luckily it looks like I'll be in town for the next one too.
Oh man, well you're not going to want to miss that. It's going to be out at Mount Pleasant at the Mid-America Flight Museum. So,
So, lady inside was telling me, I'm looking forward to
oh,
it.
you're going to love it, brother. Patrick and Casey!
How's it going?
Going good. How y'all? Have you taken a tour of Tarrant County College yet?
how can I get there? What about the no steering wheel? This is going to be in Fort Alliance Airport. You do?
There's 2013 Yankee, the airplane that's on the cover of our Facebook group. Oh, she is so beautiful.
AC. Also,
Hey you guys, we're out here at the Airplanes and Coffee event. We're finishing up everything. I just wanted to thank Kevin and his wife Mariah for coming out here today and setting up on behalf of Victory Aviation Supplies in Denton. Hope y'all had a great time.
We did. Thank you for having us.
awesome. Thanks so much.
Awesome. So if y'all need anything for your airplane or aircraft, get at them. They've got everything you need. So give them a call. Go visit them at the Denton Airport.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
Take care.